Hi guys, so today's question is degree of an array. This is simple question but quite tricky because ins- instead of easy question the constraint is quite high. So what you have to do, you have to find the degree of an array given a non-empty array of non-negative integers. The degree of an array is defined the maximum frequency of any one of its element. Okay, so first of all you have to find the frequency of the array. So the frequency will be 2 because the maximum occurrence of any element you have to find, that is 2 here in this example. Then you have to task is to find the smallest contiguous array which has the same degree. Okay, first you have to find a degree and you have to find the smallest array which has the same degree. So two array have the same length, that is 1 and 1, that is 2, and then 2 is 2 2. Other array we don't worry because that is the trick of the question. Otherwise if you apply the brute force then it will be surely time limit exceeded. Then we have 2 2, this is the smallest array which has degree 2 and which is the smallest. So what you have to do, what I have approach I have to do, first I have found the degree of an array in a single loop. So I have used a linked hash map. I have found a count of every element, and in after storing the count, I have compared the count with the max value and found the maximum count in this in in this linked hash map. And after I have found the maximum count of any element, then I will found which element has the highest count, because the trick I will be used, I will minus the first occurrence and the last occurrence of the element, and this is the length of the array, and the first occurrence and last occurrence of the element which has the maximum degree, and found the smallest difference. So that is the trick we have to apply instead of the brute force. So in this array list I have found all the elements, that is 1 and 2, which has the maximum degree. Okay, so I know that 1 and 2 has a maximum degree. So now I have to find the first occurrence of 1 and the last occurrence of 1. Similarly the first occurrence of 2 and the last occurrence of 2, and which will be and the smallest length will be the answer. So I have taken an integer k, a while loop which will run till the length of the list, and the j equal to 0, which will increment to find the first, compare the first element and the next element and find their occurrences. And I have given the first and second occurrence as 0. So I will iterate first loop with the 0 and last occurrence and the reverse loop. If the first element, that is j is equal to 0, 1 is equal to 1, that the first occurrence, I will break the loop. Similarly the last occurrence I will break the loop. So I have, if then I will find the difference. If it is minimum is, I have taken the max value, of course minimum is greater than the second minus first, so the minimum will be this. If other elements come, that is 2, which is the second minus 1 is only 1, that is greater than the minimum. Yeah, that is less than the minimum, yes it is less than the minimum, the answer will be 2. And this and the answer will be second minus first, that is the difference between their indices. So what you have to return, you have to return min plus 1, because that is the, because the array index starts from 0. So the minimum occurrence in my example is 2, and 2 occurs here. So 2 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 will be the answer here. Okay, and this question has been accepted. Thank you.